What's the meaning of classicist? Classicist. Classicist.
Classicist. Classicist. A classicist is a person who studies and has expertise in the classics, which refers to the literature, art, philosophy, and culture of ancient Greece and Rome. Classicists often focus on understanding the historical context, language, and themes of these ancient works. In broader terms, classicism is an artistic and cultural movement that draws inspiration from the ideals and aesthetics of ancient Greek and Roman civilizations. Classicism emphasizes simplicity, harmony, and balance in art, literature, and architecture. Overall, classicists are dedicated to preserving and promoting the study of the classics.